Forgot ChatGPT 4. This AI tool is 10 times more productive and more powerful than ChatGPT. Here is Promind.ai where you can select your categories based on your interests. So I will select my category software engineer. After that, the best part is that you can even control your prompt speed. So I will set it default 3.5 turbo and then I will enter my prompt. So here you need to enter your prompt. So I will enter my prompt, generate content ideas for coding. After writing your prompt on, you need to click on this generate button. It will take few moments and then it will generate a result for you based on the category that you have selected. So here you can see that my result has been generated. So here you have two options, copy it and share. So I will copy it from here, and after copied you can even share this content directly from here, whatever you want, and then after you even can stash this result. The best part is that you can even generate the default results based on the categories that you have selected from here.